This is our Wi-Fi RF433 smart switch, Wi-Fi and RF. This one is RF433 remote transmitter. It needs live wire, live and neutral line. This one is wireless, needs battery, no need the live wire or neutral line. Both these two can work with these Wi-Fi and RF433 switches. Now I pair this Wi-Fi and RF433 switch and the Wi-Fi remote transmitter together. When light off, press this switch for about 4 seconds until this blue indicator flash. Then touch this one, so they are paired together. And this one, same method. Together, both this.